Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to start recording right away, don't delay. First, confirm your iPhone model and iOS version so you know whether native pause exists or you'll use an app. Once done, enable Do Not Disturb and lock orientation to prevent accidental taps. Open camera or your chosen app, pick video mode, and set resolution and frame rate. Tap record to begin. Why? Because getting consistent settings before pausing avoids jumps in exposure and audio levels later on. Now you'll apply pause methods. If your app has a native pause button, use it to split clips cleanly. Otherwise, simulate pauses by stopping and immediately restarting record, or use quick take hold release on supported models. Make sure you maintain consistent framing and audio levels. This prevents jarring jumps. Also, record 1 to 2 seconds of overlap before pausing and after resuming so you have edit handles. Once resumed, give yourself a beat to re-establish motion. This makes cuts seamless during post. Finish by stopping recording and immediately reviewing your clips in Photos to check continuity. Then trim any unwanted frames and merge segments using the built-in editor or a third-party NLE. Export with the same codec and resolution you used during capture. If you see exposure or audio jumps, fix them with a short crossfade or by adjusting color and audio levels. This corrects abrupt changes. Finally, make a quick backup. If a pause failed, retry with a different app or lower resolution to reduce processing load.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.